All right. So working on a sunny afternoon, our Nancy just came up with a brilliant idea of the D minor part of this lick, which looks like this. Just doing a bass line, which is what a bass player would do one finger at a time. But what Nancy found was a way to turn it into chords. So she's making a D minor form like this now. I cheat when I do my bar chords, so my index finger is hanging over. But here is the D minor form, and this is the first note of that lick. Now, let go, and we've just got a D minor 7. And then, clever Nancy, she goes to a G9, which we've been using in Satin Doll. Now, we're almost done with this part of the lick. What we have to do is take this index finger and move it to the 3rd fret. It's a little stretch. So we have the bass line happening. But Nancy added these cool chords. D minor, D minor 7, G9, and whatever the hell this is. I don't know. I'd have to figure it out.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Let's try it again one more time. So 1, 2, I'm going to do this. I changed the fingering. I don't know if you noticed that. Here's my D minor. And then I used all 4 fingers to make that D minor 7. Index finger G9. And then to here.
Callie?
Very, very cool. Yeah.